CEO is saying that the average hospital stay for COVID-19 has cost them $50,000 per person. Right now, 75% of Delta employees are vaccinated, and with unvaccinated employees forced to pay an extra $200 for their health care. Again, for new Delta employees, they must be vaccinated. That, of course, is the bottom line when it comes to what the CEO of Delta is saying. He wants to keep his employees safe. But of course, we're always wondering what this means for other companies, and we want to bring in our chief legal correspondent, Dr. Laura McNeil, to get an idea on exactly where this stands when it comes to the legal issues involved in this. Dr. Laura, we're hearing today, obviously, what Delta is saying. They're taking a very strong stand. Tell us what your thoughts are on this.
Yeah, you know, Delta Airlines is taking a strong stand. They're trying to mitigate some of the costs that are associated with COVID-19 infections. And so they are legally able and completely allowed to create this essentially a $200 surcharge on their employees that have chosen not to be vaccinated. It's actually a very creative incentive to push vaccinations. It'll be interesting to see if that drastically increases the numbers of employees that change their mind and decide they want to be vaccinated, as opposed to paying that $200 a month. That's over $1,000 a year, which can really add up over a period of time.
So this is a slippery slope, as you all would say in law?
A very slippery slope. You know, once Pfizer was approved by the FDA, fully approved, that really was a game changer. For all of the legal challenges we've seen across the country for vaccine mandates, that Pfizer full approval really dismissed a lot of the lawsuits that were saying, or claims in these lawsuits, you know what, it's not fully approved, it's only emergency authorization. Well, now companies and other entities within our society have a much stronger standing in saying, no, this is fully FDA approved, and that really supports the vaccine mandates that we see across the country in response to the growing COVID numbers. So definitely a slippery slope, though, because you know, of course, I've had family members reach out and say, well, what else can they force us to do outside? They say we're fine with the vaccines, but you know, can they force us to take certain medications that will improve our chances of not getting cancer? They're going real extreme. So I try to caution people to say this is really an isolated situation during a public health crisis.
Well, that's good to know, Laura, but I'm wondering, what about stores and restaurants? We've been hearing cases across the country. Can they deny service to people who don't have a vaccination card?
Ironically, they can. If you think of the motto that we often see when we're shopping, no shoes, no shirt, no service, well, you can now add to that list during this pandemic, no shoes, no shirt, no vaccine, no service. We've seen restaurants, for instance, in San Antonio recently just said, you know what, if you don't show us your vaccine card, you can't dine in. Now, they are offering them an alternative, which is dining outside, but as long as those rules are applied across the board, as long as they're not discriminating against one of those protected classes based on race, gender, disability, they're perfectly legal. And they're legal because there's nothing in the law that says they're not. And so, as we say in the legal field, it's legal until it's unlegal. And as of now, it's completely admissible or allowable for restaurants to deny people entry if they don't have a vaccination card.
But Laura, what about HIPAA regulations? We're always hearing about that, HIPAA this, HIPAA that. You know, it governs a patient's privacy. How does all of this factor into that?
Yeah, one of the misnomers or misunderstandings about HIPAA is it only applies to HIPAA-approved entities, which are typically going to be healthcare organizations, not employers, not employment records. And so essentially it says that healthcare providers, so your Blue Cross Blue Shield insurance or United Healthcare, cannot release any of your medical information, including your vaccination status, without your consent. So that's essentially how HIPAA comes into a play. But what's important to note, Laverne, is that employers can say, you know what, I'd like to know your vaccination status. You have to, can you show me proof? Now, you can deny and not that request and not show them, but there are consequences. Employers can fire you, they can let you go, but they cannot go around you and get that information from your healthcare provider. Those are the protections that HIPAA provides, and so there's a lot of misunderstandings about that.
Yeah, I was today years old, Laura, when you just told me about how HIPAA works. Now, I mean, I'm one of the many who's confused by that. All right, so what about students? You know, you have to prove that you have your vaccinations, you know, from preschool all the way up to college. You have to prove and show these vaccination records before you can enroll your kids in schools. How does all of that factor in?
Well, one thing that was really big is when Indiana University won, the federal court said, you know what, we're going to uphold your vaccine mandate. That really spoke volumes. And essentially what the court's rationale was, they said, hey, students, you've got other options. You can apply for a medical or religious exemption if that applies. You can go to a new school. You can take remote classes. And so because of that very important federal decision based on Indiana University, what we've seen is other courts have followed suit. We know the Supreme Court recently denied a request to stop a vaccine mandate as an emergency authorization order. So all that means, yes, universities can mandate vaccines. There are some interesting states that have a conscious objection clause, such as the state of Kentucky, but for the overwhelming majority of the country, it's completely legal, and students are going to have to make some tough decisions. Are they going to get the vaccine, or they can take a break from school, or they can go online? But bottom line is they're going to have to make that choice because they cannot overturn these mandates by universities.
Yeah, tough choices. Thank you so much for that insight. We appreciate it, Dr. Laura McNeil, our chief legal correspondent.